Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I would just want to share my experience. As you can see, this was like matte, okay, like flat or something like this, and I'm trying to fix this right here, okay, because it's like, I don't know, someone ruined it and I'm trying to fix it. So I'm using a buffing machine and I'm using this #1 rubbing compound. Okay, there's like #1, #2, #3, and #1 is the biggest one, so you usually use #1. And look what I found, actually, guys. Look how pretty it becomes, like if you apply this to your dashboard or your whatever. As you can see, like right here as well, see, it was like this and it became like this. So I mean, that's cool, guys. So if you want to do that, you can. It's just that this is a little big for this. If you have something smaller, it would be a lot nicer and easier to go around all the edges and stuff like that. And just look at this, guys. I didn't know that. So you can also make this one. As you can see, it's starting to become shiny. See? So you can apply it on here as well. So guys, if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so this is the final look. As you can see, it looks a lot better than it was. I can tell that.